An expression binding is one of the most powerful kinds of property bindings that we have at Ignition. It uses a simple expression language to calculate a value. This expression can involve lots of dynamic data, such as other properties on the screen, tag values, results of scripts, queries, and more. Expressions can be used for many different purposes. Anytime information needs to be massaged, manipulated, extracted, combined, split, you think expressions. So here I have a couple of LED displays on my window, and I want to display a couple different values using the expression language. The first one, I want to display the addition of ramp0 and ramp1. So I want to add these two tags together. I can't do that with the tag binding. I have to use an expression. So I'm going to go down to the value property here. I'm going to bind this to an expression, and I can type in the expression in this box here. On the right hand side, I can bring in any property value from the screen. I can also bring any tag value in, and I have various operators such as mathematical, logical, and bitwise operators, and I have various functions I can bring in such as math functions, logic functions, and date and time functions. So this expression is going to return a single result that I'm going to display on this component. So if I want to add ramp0 and ramp1 together, I'm first going to go and bring in those tags into the expression. I'm going to use the tag button on the right hand side to first bring in ramp0. Go ahead and press OK, and you'll see it's going to put a curly brace ramp/ramp0, which is the reference to that tag. Then I'm going to go plus, and then go and bring in ramp1. So I'm bringing ramp1. Now that I have the expression done, as soon as I press OK, I'll see the value of that expression here on the LED display. Now, not only can we use tag values in the expressions, of course, we can use values from the screen as well. So here I have a numeric text field that if I go in and type maybe a value of, say, 100, maybe I want to take the value, the addition of ramp0 and ramp1, and then subtract 100 from it. So I'm going to go back into the binding on the LED display, where I have ramp0 plus ramp1, and now I'm going to subtract the value of that numeric text field. So I'm simply going to go minus and use the link now because it's a property on the window. So click on the link, go and find in my window numeric text field, and bring its value integer. So I can not only bring in tags, I can bring in properties from the screen. As soon as I press OK, now I'll see the calculation of that. On the second LED display, let's do another example of expression, but this time let's utilize one of the functions that we have. So here I have a tag called writable integer 1, and right now the value is -5. Let's say that I want to show the absolute value of that. I want to just show 5 on the LED display here. So I can actually bind the value of this one, again, to an expression, and this time I'm going to use a function. In the function language, we have various mathematical functions. One of them is absolute value. So I can simply click on absolute. It's going to put ABS, and then a parenthesis. The parenthesis notes that we're going to call a function here. Then inside the parenthesis, I'm going to bring in the value that I want to do the absolute value on. So I'm going to go and use the tag button on the right-hand side to go and select my writable integer 1, go ahead and press OK and bring that in, and then I'm going to end the parenthesis to finish out that function. As you can see, if you put my cursor at the end, you can see that it matches up with the beginning one. As soon as I press OK, I will then see now the absolute value of whatever I type in here in that writable integer 1 tag. So the expression language is very powerful, and there's lots of different ways we can use it.